Tuesday, we sold about 11 items for $300, and here's a few of the standouts. The first one we have is this Talbot long zip puffer coat. Puffer vest. It's a puffer vest. I don't think it was down. It was quilted, but it's not down. Check it out. It sold for $23 plus shipping. Yeah, that's the first item right there. Next item we have is this NHL new. This is brand new. All-Star game from 2019 San Jose cap. What's the brand? Fantastic. I think it's called Fanatics. It's Fanatics. NHL cap. This one, I got this at the bins probably for like 25 cents, and it sold for 14 plus shipping, which came up to about like $22. So I really think it's surprising when people are buying hats online for that price. We got some shoes going out that we got at the bins. This is part of the 90 pounds that we got at the bins. This is some pair of Uggs. Look at these fancy Uggs. Yeah, gold, baby. Gold Ugg slippers. These sold for $25 plus shipping. From the same batch, we got some Skechers City Walkers. These are some regular Skechers. And these, like I said, I got these also from the bin. It's probably for about 2 pounds. These are probably like 2 pounds. And these sold for 25 plus. All of a sudden, I'm running out of, I'm not saying that I'm running out of shoes, but all of a sudden I'm selling a lot of shoes. And these are Mizuno's Wave Rally 2. They're volleyball shoes. To me, they look like soccer shoes, like indoor soccer shoes. Just regular pair of indoor, so I'm gonna call it indoor soccer shoes, but it could be volleyball. From Mizuno, these sold not that much, $20 plus shipping. Next, we got a shirt I got from also from the bins, and this one, it's nice Hollister shirt. And this is the kind of price you could expect for these type of Hollisters. I mean, if you find them and you want to sell them, you could. I got $17 for this one, but it's 10 plus shipping. There we go. $10 plus shipping for this Hollister. It is a nice shirt though. I like it. We also have one item going out from Poshmark. Poshmark came through with a sale. Poshmark came through for sale. These are a pair of Adidas. They're not in that great of a condition, but they are, let's see if I can bring it up real quick. They do have this old style Adidas logo that people like. I'll show it better on here. And these sold for 25, which I was very happy to get 25 for. 7 items going out for $147. A lot of jeans. I don't have any more padded. First pair is going out this American Eagle jean, standard American Eagle. This is going out for $21 shipped. Next one we have this Joe's jean. This is probably like 2 years old. This Joe's jean is probably like 2 years old, and it's going out for $13.50. I'm just trying to get rid of them at this point. I'm pretty much selling these for like, I think I sold for $6. Then the $7 was for shipping. Next we have a pair of Lucky brand. I think I got this at the bins. This one's going out for $24. Pretty good price for a pair of jeans. Back in the day I used to get more, but not anymore. And this is a big one. This one, probably had this one for 2 years also. Armani Exchange. It's only went out for $14. So it is what it is. Also, pair of Keens that I got from the bins. This one I did really well on. Check out these Keens. Got these from the bins. And this one's going out for $25.35. So that's a good sale. Next we got another item from that same bins. This South Africa jersey. I picked it up because I remember them, the World Cup. And this one sold for $15.41 Not too bad. It's a bins item. Got it for like probably like 30 cents or whatnot. And the last that's going out is another pair of shoes, and it's some pair of Adidas shoes, running shoes, and these are for 34. This is actually pretty good. Thursday here. eBay hates me. 3 sales going out for $65. Let me check that real quick. Yeah, actually $68. We are rolling in it. First item to go out is Cabin Creek. You know, the corduroy elastic band waist pants. I sell a lot of them. I pick them up at the bins. I only will pay for about like 50 cents for them, but they sell. This one sold for $18.64. Next, we got a pair of Nikes that I got a pretty good sale on this one. This is just a regular pair of Nike shorts, pair of regular Nike swim shorts. Got them at the bins, Goodwill outlets, and they sold for $23.47. That's a good sale. Next one, I listed this yesterday and it sold. This is a pair of American Eagle men's jeans, and these sold for $26.45. So only 3 items going out. It is snowing out, so there's that. Take a look at the snow, if you guys can see it. There, at least it's beautiful out. Yesterday eBay was a hater. Today I guess eBay's a lover, right?
I don't understand what.
Sold these camel shorts right here. Nice camel shorts. Abercrombie. Yep, these things sold for $34.14, and this is a bins item. It's a little heavy. It's a little heavy duty, but it's still a bins item. $34.14 is a good deal. This also sold within a couple of days of listing it. I know I had one item yesterday that did that. This one did it too. LL Bean. People love them LL Bean, and this one sold for $28. That's full price, $28. So $20 plus shipping. There it goes. Standard LL Bean pair of jeans. That's 2. We got 10 items going out for $277. This item right here, it's a vest. It's a small Ralph Lauren vest. It's a denim vest. And this one sold for $30. Wow. Just a regular vest. And this one's lightweight too. So I got this for under $1 and it sold for $30. Next we got a Harley Davidson jacket right there. It says Harley Davidson on the back. You can't see it in this bag. And this one sold for, wow, $51. Got this, I remember this one cleared. I got this for $5. And it sold for $51. Good deal. And it's padded. Got some padded bags in. The padded are in. I already said that. This is Mizzou Tigers golf shirt. Mizzou Tiger golf shirt. Pretty simple item. Whenever you see teams, pick them up, especially college team, NBA team, it doesn't matter. Pick those up. This one sold for $17. Next we have American Eagle pair of jeans. Pretty standard pair of jeans, but it sold for $27.41. I don't usually get these kind of prices on these jeans, but this one sold for a good amount. It's a Carhartt. I paid, I think, $4 for this. This is nice. Carhartt thermal. Nice maroon color Carhartt, and this one sold for $24.72. And I think this might go first class. Might.
Alright, so for ladies clothing, I had a weird looking t-shirt with a cute little print. I don't know if you can see that on there. Lightweight, a little different. And so this is Talkie Dokie. I've never heard of it before, but it's kind of like anime, I guess. And so I looked it up, and we listed it. It sold for $15.75 today. Also found this tropical looking top. It's like a bathing suit swim top cover, but it's a blouse, and it's got beads on here, nice detailed beading. So this is from a resort, Antica Santoria, and it's came to about $27, sold today. I just listed this yesterday, and it's called Lulubi, and it's a cute stretchy skirt. So it's a skirt with shorts underneath. You see the shorts? And I've never heard of this brand before, but when I spotted it, obviously you can tell it's really bright. The material's nice, it's well made, and there's nothing wrong with it. There's no stains or rips or anything. So I looked it up and listed it, and this sold the next day for, was it $22, $21.99. So it was a great steal.
Thanks for watching ELO Flip. For more videos on reselling, what sold, item research, please subscribe to the ELO Flip YouTube channel.